Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguiderealty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new, modern 3-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila, very near Alabang. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this well-designed home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a floor area of 213 square meters and a lot area of 204 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, an open concept living and dining area, a high entrance ceiling, a ground floor online meeting room, an open kitchen with an oven and range hood, an alfresco patio area, maid's quarters, and a laundry and drying area. And all of this in a private and vibrant enclave with fast access to Alabang. Now let's begin the tour. From the solid structure and the wooden accents, the house has a very polished and refined feel. Now let's head on in. So upon entering the house, you have a garden patch on the right side, leading to the side of the house. And then on this other side, you have a spacious 2-car garage. From the wooden design of the ceiling, the stone accent wall, and the windows leading to the living space and foyer area from here, you can see that the house is really focused on small details that make it feel more elegant. You also have a gate here leading to the side of the house towards the lanai and patio space. And on this side is our main entrance. It has a very nice and pleasant color in terms of the wood tone. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Once you enter, you immediately have a high ceiling which lets in so much natural light into the house. It leads to the second level and it gives you 2 large windows rising to the second level, giving you also a great facade for the front of the house. This area over here is a great storage and foyer space where you can have some cabinets and storage units as well once you come into the house. And from here, let me welcome you to your main living and dining space. The first impression that we got with the living space is light because it has windows stretching here across the side of the house and the accent window which is over the driveway. It's open planned, so it flows naturally to your dining space on this side. And here you can have a dining table in this area and it's positioned right across here to your sliding doors leading to a patio space. So you already have quality PVC windows here with screens. And a nice alfresco dining space. This area is actually very cool in terms of the mornings because the sun is on the front of the house and in the afternoons, the west side is on the back of the house. So in a way, it's kind of sheltered also and it gives you access to the side of the house. You already have a steel tower here for your water tank. And you have access on the other side leading to the driveway. So let me show you. Here. So this is a nice nook for the house that can enlarge your dining space. And let's head on in. So from here, you have your main kitchen space. Your main kitchen space is integrated to the open plan concept design of the living and dining area. You have a beautiful white marble quartz countertop here, which is excellent as an informal dining space. So you can imagine having 4 stools over here and having this as a great breakfast nook. And this is a great spot for preparing dishes. And on this side, you have a Kitchen branded range hood. On this area, this is where you can have your cooktop. And on this side, you have a space for your refrigerator and a pantry storage area. And you also have a Kitchen branded oven here. Now from here, we have an access door leading to the back of the house towards the service area and maid's room. Let's take a look. So here, we already have a tank, and we actually have a lot of space here at the back of the house. So this is great for the laundry area because you already have plugs here and a water source. And on this side, you have the maid's room with a bathroom. And this is the bath space. From the back of the house, you see that we have a lot of space at the side leading to the front of the house. So there's so much you can do here. You can actually landscape this as you'd like if you purchase the house. And let's walk all around as we head on up to the second level. Let's go. You have a nice garden patch here. Before we head on up, let me show you a room and space here in the ground floor. This serves as a potential home office, storage space, or even a display area. One potential great application for this room is actually a streaming room. So if you have a lot of online meetings and work from home activities, you can really set this up really nicely as an area where you'll have your online meetings. Now let's head on up. And here we have the bathroom in the ground floor, which serves as a powder room as well for guests. Now let's head on up to the second level where we have 3 bedrooms. Let's go. You can see from here that this area is excellent for having a light fixture over here if you'd like to make this even more prominent in terms of the facade of your house. And you have 3 rooms here, beginning with your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is about 20 to 25 square meters in terms of the size. you already have a large split type air conditioning unit for the room, and the orientation is already set. As you can see, you have these lights, which are great for your bedside drawers here. And this is where you can have a large bed. And on this side, this is where you can have your large television set. The orientation of the master bedroom is facing the west side of the property, as the east side is on the front of the house. And now let me show you your master bathroom. Your master bathroom already has a walk-in closet space. So you can open this up. You have storage on two sides. And on this side, you already have the bathroom area where you have a tempered glass enclosure and a double vanity sink space. Let's head on up. One notable thing about the master bedroom is it's spacious, and you have a lot of room as well in terms of your walk-in closet and your bathroom area. If that's not enough, because of the size of the room, you can easily add additional storage space here. And now let's take a look at your second bedroom. Your second bedroom is facing the east side of the property. We're shooting this video in the afternoon, so it's quite cool already here. You have built-in cabinetry. And you even have the trademark windows at the top part of the wall for this property. And you have a nice view of the front of the house from here. You also already have a split type air conditioning unit for the room. And you have a sliding door here leading to a shared bathroom with the third bedroom. Let's take a look. So the third bedroom is facing the west side of the property. That's why there are no more windows on this side. That's why it's also quite cool in the afternoons. Since morning sun is on this side and afternoon sun is on this side, you have this for natural light, but the room will never get burnt by the sunlight. You already have a split type air conditioning unit. Once again, you have storage space. And once you slide this door, you have access to your shared bathroom, which has two sinks. On an additional note, it's very smart that they made sliding doors instead of swinging doors, because that gives you more space to maneuver. Because imagine if you had swinging doors here, it would be hard if someone was using it and suddenly someone would come in and the door would open, right? That ends our quick property tour of this modern, brand new 3-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property, check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. If you want to know more about this property and schedule a property viewing, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message on Instagram and Facebook. To be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that little bell button so that you can get notified. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this finely crafted, brand new 3-bedroom house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.